making some southern cabbage. Now southern, I guess they're saying it's southern cabbage because it's got a bunch of red pepper in it.
Southern spicy cabbage.
Southern spicy cabbage. There we go. Cass is correcting me. But what we done was took some bacon, fried it, cooked it up, got the grease from it and everything, put it in the pan, and then cut up some onions and put in it and sauteed those kind of sort of say, and then added some chicken broth into it. And it's boiling up, you know, you're not boiling, but almost boiling up for us, getting us good and going. But since Cassie's got me on the keto diet, you know, cabbage, I'm eating a lot of cabbage. It's a good thing I like this stuff. But what we're going to do is, you know, this particular recipe calls for kind of shredded cabbage. So we're going to take the bow knife and we're going to shred it right off the head. You know, make it a little easier to do. We'll just shred some of it off here and get it in here. You know, it depends on
And turn a little.
how thick you want your stuff and how thin you want it. Or you just kind of roll the head around as you go to shave off what you want as thick as you want. Now, I like it a little bit thicker. Now, you can go real fine with it if you want to, but I like to have a little bit more crunch to it when I eat it.
Yeah, just go ahead and do some bigger pieces.
Do some bigger pieces.
Yeah.
So you can just cut off some, you know, bigger slabs of it there real easy. And so you can go back to, you know, just do it how you want it. But it takes it off so easy, you know. It always amazes me, like how many people say cabbage is so hard to cut. But with this knife, you see how loose my grip is. I never grab the knife tight, always with a loose grip, and just kind of when you run cabbage, you know, you just kind of want to go across it and roll your hand just a little bit so that it helps you stay on the edge of it. And so that's pretty fine, you know, slaw there. And it's
Do some more bigger pieces.
bigger pieces?
Yeah.
All right, here we go, some bigger pieces.
Lots of big pieces, please. Do the rest in the big. Thank you.
But you see how easy it comes off, and you can't even hear it, the knife going through it. It just slides it right off.
Okay.
But that is it. You know, we'll finish cooking this up and let you know how it goes. First time for this one. We're getting a lot of cabbage recipes right now because I done got too big. Cassie says I snore too much. So we gotta feed the rats, so I let some drop on the ground. But there again, just, you know, easy as you go. Not a lot of power, and you go ahead and put some fine stuff back off in there.
Oh.
That's pretty much a head of cabbage, and it don't take just a couple minutes, and it's whooped right along. But y'all look it up, give it a shot. Y'all have a good night, and as always, y'all stay foxy.